What if the reason so many professional developers use both JetBrains IDEs and Visual Studio Code isn't because one is better than the other, but because each solves a different problem? At first glance, it might seem like choosing between them should be easy, yet after comparing both in practical development scenarios, the results are far more balanced than many people expect. JetBrains IDEs stand out with powerful built-in features such as intelligent code completion, advanced refactoring tools, deep code analysis, integrated debugging, database support, and language-specific optimizations that make large and complex projects easier to manage. These capabilities can significantly improve productivity, especially for developers working with enterprise applications or large codebases. However, that level of functionality comes with trade-offs. JetBrains software consumes noticeably more system resources, requires a paid subscription for most professional IDs, and can feel heavier during startup or on lower-end hardware. On the other hand, Visual Studio Code delivers a lightweight, fast, and highly customizable experience that appeals to millions of developers. Its massive extension marketplace allows users to add support for almost any programming language, framework, or workflow, making it incredibly flexible. The downside is that achieving a polished development environment often requires installing and configuring multiple extensions, and the overall experience can vary depending on the quality and compatibility of those add-ons. During testing, both editors remained stable for everyday development, but their strengths became clear in different situations. JetBrains handled complex projects with better code intelligence and built-in productivity tools, while VS Code felt quicker for lightweight coding, scripting, and rapid editing tasks. Performance also depended heavily on project size and available system resources rather than the editor alone. In the end, the comparison showed why many developers continue using both instead of replacing one with the other. JetBrains offers an all-in-one professional development environment, while VS Code provides unmatched speed, flexibility, and customization. Rather than declaring a clear winner, the results suggest that the best choice depends on your workflow, project complexity, hardware, and whether you value built-in features or a lightweight extension-based approach.